Hey guys, it's Peter Holdman. I am a photographer and content creator, and today I've got a package from my friends over at Adorama, so let's open this up and see what we've got here. So far on my channel, I'm mainly focused on some tutorial type work. I'd like to get a little bit more vlog style going on, so I picked up the Switchpod as well as the ballhead for it. If you're not familiar with the Switchpod, it is designed specifically for vlogging work. It can be used as a handle and then also open up as a tripod. So let's take a look at this. The box is pretty nice. If I can figure out how to open it. There we go. So inside you've got nice foam packing for it. So the way this works, and I haven't tried one of these before, so we'll see how it goes. It flips open and then can be closed up, held together with magnets. Then we can mount our camera on the top of this. Got a handle, and then with the flip of a wrist it turns into a tripod. Pretty slick little rig there. Then I also have the ball head. See if I can figure out how to open this guy up. There we go. Looks like a pretty stock little ball head. Get it mounted up. And here you've got a 1/4-20 mounting hole. It's not an adapted 3/8. So anything, you wouldn't be able to mount that on anything that required a 3/8 mount unless you had some kind of adapter for it. So first impressions, the fit and finish on this is pretty nice. The legs are a hair looser than I'd expected, but they seem like they should be fine. Two of these holes look like they're threaded for 1/4-20, so we could maybe mount a light or something off of that on a small magic arm. After I've used this a little bit, we'll get a more in-depth review together. Keep an eye out on this channel. Hit the like button if this has helped. Hit the subscribe button if you like what you see. And we will talk to you soon. Now, get out there. Wait, coronavirus. Stay inside and create something beautiful.